Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. There's 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, rear parking sensors. Now inside the car you've got a half leather interior. The touchscreen has DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car has the top of the range 1.2 litre PureTech engine. It gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done less than 9,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. Thank you.